Hello everybody, welcome back to the new video session. On previous video session we have understood the major industry in India, that is cotton textile industry and aluminum industry. Now we'll discuss about the remaining major industries in India, that is knowledge based industry, paper industry and sugar industry. Sugar industry, one of the second important agro based industry in India after the cotton textiles, because the raw material which is used for the sugar industries are coming from the field, that is agriculture field. The art of sugar making was known to the Indians, confined to preparing a gur and kandasari. The modern sugar mills were started in the beginning of the 20th century, but the industry was made a rapid progress only after the independence. So any changes or any new technology that used after the independence, not before the independence. The supply of the sugar canes, which is a main raw material for the sugar industries, and it has to be located in the area where it is cheap and efficient transport facilities are available. Government encouragement related to the sugar industries, market and capitals are the main factors for the location of the sugar industry, that is market where the consumers are will be available, and raw materials also should be getting easily, means purchasing easily. So these kinds of the facilities must be available, and the capital resources, that the country, the place, location where the government wants to invest more on the sugar industries, there it has to be located, instead of the particular location which is not ready to give the encouragement for the sugar industries, there should not be open these industries. So distribution, the sugar industry is concentrated in the sugarcane growing areas, that is Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar and Odisha. So India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world, next to the Brazil. Next one, paper industry. Paper is the one of the important industry in India for growing the economical development, and also it has a too much of useful. The uses, like it has to use that product raw material, the finished product paper, that is used such as writing. For the writing they will use wrapping, packing, printing, etc. So these are the some uses of the paper. So education and literacy levels in the country are measured by the consumption of paper in the country. The art of paper making was introduced in India during the 10th century, and it was a cotton, that cottage industry. So the first modern paper mill was set up in 1932 at the Serampur in West Bengal, but it was failure. So it is not success. So the real start was made in 1870 at Bhali near Kolkata. However, the industry made a rapid progress during the World Wars and after the independence. The paper industry is a forest based industry because the raw material which is used for the paper industries are available in the forest, that is soft wood like bamboo and cellulosic pulp, grasses like sabai and bhabar. Due to these lack of the forest based raw material, they are switched or substitute the raw material, that is straw of paddy, wheat, bagases, cotton lints, rags, etc. are being used as raw material. So distribution, earlier paper industry of India was developed in the Hooghly basin of West Bengal. Now it is highly concentrated in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha. So in India, the present production of paper is not sufficient to meet its local requirement, so it has to be made by the import. So they India is importing the what the finished product, that is paper, from the other country. So the knowledge based industries, the term knowledge based industries usually refers to those industries which are relatively intensive in their inputs of technology and human knowledge. They require intellectual capabilities rather than any physical inputs and the raw material. So the raw material and the any physical inputs are not required. Only requirement for the knowledge based industry is intellectual capability. So information technology, IT, is a key knowledge based industry. Its main components are software and the hardware. So the software industry is supported by both state and the central government of India. So mainly they are concentrated on the development of information technology, that software industries, and the state and the central governments are encouraging them to come up with the new softwares. So to increasing the industry, many software technology parks, that is STP, were established in the year 1995 in different parts of our country. However, the industry is mainly developed in southern states such as Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana. So, Karnataka has achieved a great name in the software industry. Several information technology institutions have been established and concentrated in the Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Delhi, and Noida. These are the metro cities. So where the you can find a several information technology institutions or any software industries. So Bangalore is the most important center for the Indian software industry, and it is called a Silicon Villa of India. So Mysore, Mangalore, Udupi, and Hubli are the other centers of software in Karnataka. Side by side, the hardware industry has also developed in the India. So software has become an important item of exports in India and earns a large amount of foreign exchange for the country. So these are one of the major industries which will be helping the country to increase the foreign exchange by using the intellectual capability of the India. So they are earning the foreign exchange for other purpose to import the any raw material from the other country. So this completes the topic. If you have any doubts, you can reach us by WhatsApp. Thank you.